next topic, what we have learned. So, all living things seem to have some common characteristics. So, we did study about the various characteristics of living things, and those were, they all need food, they respire, respond to stimuli, reproduce, show movement, grow and die. So, these were the all characteristics of living things that we have studied, and that is how we know that if the thing is living or not. Now, coming to some non-living things, they also show some characteristics. For example, cars, bicycle, clocks, water and river, clouds that grow in size. So, they all are showing movement in some way or another way. That a car is moving on the road. A bicycle is also moving on the road. The clocks, you have seen the hands of a clock. They also move in a circular motion. Water in the river, that is flowing in the forward direction, as we have seen. Now clouds, they keep on growing in size and they can move ahead. So here we see that such type of living things, non-living things, also show movement. Now here are some questions. Can such things be called living? We have talked about cars, bicycle, water in the river, clouds. So can we call them as living? No, because they are not. And why they are not called as living things? Because they cannot respire. आपको क्या लगता है कि कार respiration कर सकता है? No. A bicycle can grow in size? No. A water can reproduce? Not at all. So, for certain reasons, we can say that these things are not living things. So here, the answer will be no. These things are not called as living. And we just discussed the reason why they are not called as living. Now, coming to the next question. Here we have, do these objects also show all other characteristics of living things? So, हमने पढ़े हैं objects किन-किन के, किसके बारे में पढ़ा है? हमने clouds के बारे में पढ़ा. We studied about water. As we know, car, bike, and you can take any other example also. That is around you of non-living things, which can move, obviously. जिसके लिए हम external push apply करते हैं. For example, you can take the example of fan also, because fan also moves with electricity. So now, do these objects also show all other characteristics? क्या इनके अलावा, जैसे for example, these objects are moving with the help of external force, but उसके अलावा और क्या characteristics हमने पढ़े हैं? For example, we studied the characteristics of respiration. Also, they require food, they reproduce, right? So, ये कुछ characteristics क्या such non-living things are showing? So here the answer will again be no. No, these objects cannot show any other characteristics of living thing. Yes, apart from movement, they cannot show any characteristics of living thing, of respiration, growth, reproduction, anything.